If your fridge looks like a snack graveyard, with half-eaten leftovers and expired condiments taking up prime real estate, don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us start the week with good intentions, only to find our fridges in chaos by midweek. By Wednesday, it's time to take charge and meal prep. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and the benefits are worth every minute you spend in the kitchen. Let's transform those fresh ingredients into healthy, tasty meals that'll not only save you time, but also keep you feeling your best throughout the week. Imagine opening your fridge to find neatly organized containers filled with delicious, ready-to-eat meals. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your daily routine. And yes, it'll save your sanity too. Meal prep isn't just a trend, it's a total game changer. It's about taking control of your nutrition, your time, and even your budget. Imagine always having a meal ready when hunger strikes. No more last-minute takeout or unhealthy snacking. You'll save money by avoiding food waste and eating out less. And you'll be fueling your body with healthier options. It's a win-win-win. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the deal. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, pick 2 to 3 proteins, like chicken, tofu, or beans. These will be the foundation of your meals, providing the energy and nutrients your body needs. Next, add 2 to 3 complex carbs. Think brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. These will keep you full and satisfied for hours. Then pile on the colorful veggies, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, spinach. The more variety, the better. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And don't forget herbs and spices. They're the secret to making your meals flavorful without adding extra calories. Pro tip, prep in bulk. Cook larger portions of your proteins, carbs, and veggies and store them in separate containers. This way, you can mix and match throughout the week. It's like having your own healthy fast food at home. Need inspiration for meal combinations? Let's get creative. Meal 1. Grilled chicken, quinoa, roasted broccoli. A classic combo that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Meal 2. Chickpea curry, brown rice, spinach. Perfect for a plant-based option that's hearty and satisfying. Meal 3. Turkey meatballs, mashed sweet potatoes, green beans. Comfort food, but make it healthy. And don't forget snacks. Keep it simple with boiled eggs, fruit cups, or veggie sticks with hummus. Snacks are a great way to stay energized between meals and avoid reaching for unhealthy options. Store everything in airtight containers to keep your meals fresh and delicious. Refrigerate for up to 4 days, and you're all set for the week ahead. Boom! Stress-free meals, ready to go whenever you need them. Oh, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is just as important as the food you eat. Infuse your water with lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. It's hydration, but make it fancy. Healthy living doesn't have to be hard. Start small, keep it colorful, and you'll feel unstoppable in no time. Like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tips and tricks to make your life easier and healthier. Meal prep isn't just about food, it's self-care. See you next time.